Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to write product description in Shopify. So simply click on the products and now here open the products that you want to add description. So here I have opened my product shirts. So just simply type the description here, like I am typing the description here. So in the similar way you can also add the font and change the font and size of your font. Simply select and click here. So in order to write the good description you have to highlight some points and also provide the details under the highlighted point. So in this way you have got to know that how easily you can add the description in Shopify. And after when you successfully added the description, so in the next step what you need to do, just on the right side click on the save button. So in this way you can easily write product description in Shopify.